Okay, here's one of the boards that we just received in from repair. There's a serial number on it. I'm not sure exactly what they did. I suspect that maybe they replaced either U40, U41, not sure, but I'm using the same EEPROM from the previous video. So when we turn power on, we should get a power, reset, green operating LED status, and a display. And power. Power. Reset this thing on. No operating LED. And there's a glitch in our display. Okay, I suspect that problem is with U40. So I'm going to replace U40 with one from a working board, and we're going to see what happens.